There are new features and new technologies invented every single day. It would be a huge waste of our available resources when your old household appliances become obsolete, because of the new features coming out that usually just do not justify for the money for a completely new machine. In fact, your old home appliances can easily work like it is brand new all over again if you put the correct replacement part inside. Some folks also tend to dispose of old household appliances quite frequently simply because the replacement parts are not available or it costs too much to buy a genuine factory replacement part. Actually, some even do not know that many parts are user replaceable. Pureburg is an air filtration expert who can provide all kinds of air filters for various small appliances such as air purifiers and vacuum cleaners. Pureburg products are certified by SGS laboratories and are widely recognized worldwide. Pureburg. We aim to be the ultimate one-stop destination brand for all air filters. Think of us before you send your old small home appliances off to the trash can. Make the world more sustainable by keeping your old appliances that can be renewed to work just like a new one. Pureburg. Pure your breathe.